God bless you, everyone, and welcome in Sister Moni's Cuisine. Please do not pass my videos just like that. You see it and you do not subscribe. You do not like it. You do not share it. Please do me a favor. If you want me keep posting, please subscribe, like, and share it, and say something. That's the only way I know how, if I'm making progress, if you understand. So please send me a comment. This is my black beans. I make sure I clean it, and then I wash it, and then I let it cook. I put enough water to cover my beans, and I put green onions, smoked turkey, garlic, and I put flowers, because one thing you know about when you put the flour, it's gonna make it soft. So you don't have to let the beans stay overnight. So that is the reason anything hot that I'm cooking, I can cook it the same day, because after I put the flour on it, it's gonna make it soft, and I'm going to let it cook. Not even before 30 minutes, this been going to cook. Okay? So, and then put it on the stove. So, and this is my beans. It's already cooked. And now I'm going to blend everything, all the garlic, green onions, that I'm going to blend it. And then after I blend it, I strain it. So, yeah. I strain it. And after I strain it, this is what it look like. And then I'm going to let it boiling. And then put some salt on it. And after I put salt, put those spice. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna put some butter on it, okay? And that's all you need. If you put over seasoning your sauce bar or your puree beans, it's not gonna have no more taste. It's gonna over taste. All you have to do, just put salt on it, and those bouquet garnish, that's all you need. And put some butter and let it boiling until it's thick. The longer the beans stay, it's gonna be more thicker. So that's why. And this is how we eat it. Subscribe, like.